How to generate AI-powered text to video using Goku AI in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open your web browsing application. For me, it's Google. On the search bar, type Goku AI and it will get you to this platform. From the home page, you have to tap onto the profile icon from the top right corner and select AI video generator. In the prompt, type text description into AI generation video clip. For example, a flying horse in the sky. Tap on generate and let Goku AI create your video. After processing, preview and download in your preferred format. To preview the video, tap on play button. If you like the result, you can save it by tapping on video. And that's it. Now you know how to generate text to video with Goku AI for the stunning AI powered content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.